Haitian family, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, to click the notification bell, and leave a comment. And guys, don't forget to like the video, please. Guys, today I'm going to show you family how I make salad. This salad, I think I hear they can call it southern style potato, and we Asian people we call it salad whisk. Ma kon si mdi mwa bien non? Mais so I wash all the vegetable, and guys, keep watching and we're gonna get to the recipe. Fom pale avek people myo avwa mpi bien. Tout haïtien qui là en bas vidéo ça parce que me connaît nous pas aimer commenter, nous pas aimer like, nous pas aimer partager. Pas passer sur vidéo pour nous pas like, pour nous pas partager, pour nous pas dire nous aimer ça m'a faire. Parce que le deuxième m'a si me fait bien on bam on abonné m'a ton. I put all my vegetable boil together, but I'm gonna put the beets separate, and I put a good amount of salt so I can make sure the salt get into the vegetable. I know you guys might saying, oh, this is not southern style potato. Yeah, this is southern style potato. Asian way. Paske m toujou manje salad sa, men m pa jam ko konen ki jan relel. E koun ya, men m montre moun koman relel, mwen pa jam ka di nou an bien. And guys, don't cook your carrots too much, all the vegetables. Don't cook them too much because if you cook them too much, they be too soft. You don't need it to be too soft. So it's better to be too hard instead of being too soft. Okay? And sorry for the voice. I hope on the next video my voice is better. So I love everybody that subscribe, who's thinking about subscribe next time. I love you all. Please keep watching my video and maybe one day you will subscribe. Thank you all. Then I boil my eggs. So if you guys don't like eggs, you don't need to put some in there, but I like to put it in there, give it a good taste. This is how I cut my vegetable. Okay, and I have my brother that helped me. He has an account too. He do sport. If you guys wanna follow him, I'ma put the description for you guys. You know, after you eat those salad, you might need to do some exercise, you know. So you guys can exercise at home anyway, okay? So my nail is a little bit messy because I have acrylic in my nails. So when it come out, it was so hurt, so I couldn't do my nails. So I leave it like that. This is how I chop my onion. But if you guys wanna chop it on a cutting board, it's okay. But I like to do it like that because I used to it like this. Don't mind for the voice because you know your girl is tired. Your girl is very tired, so I don't have time to take a nap. The kids drive me crazy. Yeah, so this is how I cut all my peppers. So I put peppers in there. I put the yellow, I put the green and the orange. So that's all the kind of pepper I put. You guys need to subscribe to that channel. I don't know what you guys waiting for to be part of my family, because I take a lot of things to do that because I don't have time, and I'm trying to create all those and trying to show you guys the process, because I could have chopped that pepper in my hand in 2 minutes, but I want to show you guys all the process. So I have to do it like this for you guys to see. So please subscribe to my channel and give me a like. Yeah, so guys, please don't forget to support me by subscribe to that channel. Ok, famille mieux, tout haïtien mieux supporter, partager, abonner, on fait salade ensemble, on garde ça notre fait différent, si notre fait, qui ça notre fait différent, m'attend tout commenter non yo. Vin bam love la, vin bam affection, montre nous aimer moi et moi-même m'a fait en retour. Non pas besoin de paix, non, sinon besoin de un commentaire pour nous penser qu'il y a blessé. Parce que tout commentaire, welcome dans la vidéo. Parce que c'est eux même qui pour faire me grandir, pour faire me connaître ça, m'a fait, pour me prouver, les puis devant, pour me capable de faire le plus bien. So what I'm about to show you guys, I do it every time I make this salad. For the lemon juice, it doesn't have to be that one. You guys can use even the other one and you squeeze it. You can use, like I use that one because it's more and I get more juice and I don't have to keep, yes, I don't have to keep squeeze it in there. So I use it like that. Then I microwave it for like a minute and a half before I put it in there, but I let it warm. I smash my eggs. Now we adding it together. This is a beautiful color, right guys? Now I'm about to add my mayonnaise. If you guys like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and comment. If you guys like the video, what you guys like, what you guys don't like, please don't forget to comment. And what would you do different? What would you add in there if you do one? If you like it, please comment and let me know if you guys like that recipe. Isn't it beautiful?